how to make your own car. So first you need your airboat seat, which is the fastest to grab, and you need like a good source base and like a good holder, and you need to get it out onto the base, and then you need to get your wheel out and then just do an easy click, and then you can add like a few things like wheels, thrusters, whatever you want. But now you see how it now stays together. Now I can get out the wheels, and so this and this. So it needs to be strong wheels, so I got it like this, and I use thrusters so to make it like stable, and forward would be up arrow to go forward, and I usually use 3. You can use how many you want, but then so left arrow would be on the right, because to go left you had to, and then opposite to here, and I do down arrow for this like this, and then you can add like a camera or something. I use a camera because it's easy for me, and I use numpad 5, but you can use whatever. And now I need to wield the camera to it. So now all you need to do is do this, and then now you can unfreeze it, and now you have a working car. And you can just be freely driving, and you can change between cameras and stuff, and you can customize it, and there you go. That's a small little